it's Amy Cat, and today we have some new Slows and Rise Squishies!
We went to Walmart tonight.
Oh yes, and we found these, and I'm going to tell you about them.
So these are the SoftnSlo Squishies.
Yes, and here is this packet.
Show me that.
We have this little squishy tiger, and he can dress up as a bunny.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So these are the costume cuties by SoftnSlo Squishies. And these are new. So we have the tiger that dresses up as the bunny. And did we get another one, Emmy?
What other one? Oh, yes.
Hand me the other one of the costume cuties.
Yes, we got another one. We got this bunny, and then I'm not sure what this is.
I think it's a raccoon. Because look at the eyes.
Oh, it does look like a raccoon.
Uh-huh. Let me see that one. Okay, so this looks like a little bunny that dresses up as a raccoon. And I think these are the ones that you can collect. And okay, so then this one is squishy, and then this, I mean, it's squishy, but it's not like a squishy. That doesn't even make sense.
It's a costume.
I'm sorry, it's a costume.
It's supposed to look like that.
Yeah, it looks like a
It's
costume.
like squishy and hard.
Right.
Mixed together.
You did it better. You did it so much better. And then what did we find also?
We found the kitty family. So we have this little pink one, and it has a really fluffy tail, and it's also red and white. It looks like a dog to me. Look at those ears.
It does look like a dog, but
We picked up a dog.
You picked up a dog.
Because
I
it's
don't
supposed
care.
to be straight
I'm
up.
gonna call it a kitty.
I'm going to call it a kitty,
Saying
too.
that's a kitty. Does it kind of look like pointy ears when we were at the store? I don't know. We were just having a frenzy because they were so cute. We were kind of just freaking out.
There was a golden cake.
Yeah, there was a golden cake. This actually looks like a dog to me too because of the chest hair, but the ears say kitty. So you know what? We're just gonna call them all kitties. This is a
kitty.
Is for
That's
sure.
a
Oh
kitty.
my gosh, I love this one. So
He's like,
much.
so mom thinks it's sitting. Mom thinks it's sitting, but it's laying down.
It's laying, yeah.
Look at its
well,
tail.
I know. I knew it was laying down. I just had to make it sit up so I could get a picture of it. And then we found, let's check it out.
We found these.
So these are the Peel to Reveal mystery figure playset. It says there's a surprise playset plus stickers plus 3 squishies inside.
3?
I know, and they're like small and adorable, and I cannot wait to see them because these are new. It's series 1, but they're brand new. They just came out with these. So we kind of went on a little it's gonna be 9 altogether. Is that what you're trying to figure out? How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so Emmy, what are we gonna open first? I'm so excited about this.
Let's open this.
You want to open one of those first? Okay, you better. Oh my, you need refreshments for this, right?
Oh yeah.
And we didn't think to get any scissors, so hopefully
We
these aren't
don't
gonna
need
be.
scissors for
You don't
these
think so?
ones.
Okay, good. Oh, good. Yes, they're
See
easy to
those
peel.
little lines? I just pull it, and then it works.
So yeah. Oh, they do. They show something on the back.
We got
too,
every
don't they?
single color. We got blue.
We did. We didn't know what to do because there were so many and we were so excited, but we were like, well, let's just get one of each color. So let me see the back of that real quick before you open it.
Wait, do you do? Oh, it looks like you peel these. Okay, so it says this one's.
Okay. Okay.
Let's open this
So
up.
peeled. Oh, okay. So it's like you pop.
Yeah, it's
those.
a mystery.
Oh my gosh! It looks like kind of how you did your Lego advent calendar, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, pop
So
it.
you just peel that. Okay. And then there's.
Oh.
All right. It's a question mark. What does that mean? What do we do? Do you pop
Oh,
the
yeah,
paper?
probably pop it.
Oh.
Oh, we got.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, it's
Oh
like
my goodness.
it's a fire, and
I
it's
can't
like
see it.
it's a fire.
Okay, here, let me see it. Oh my gosh.
We got a
Okay.
fire.
Oh, it's a
Got
campfire.
fire.
Okay, these are like. These are almost like gummy squishies. Like, can you see how it's almost
they're like splat balls.
Kind of like splat balls. That's right, Emmy.
I feel like splat balls.
Okay, so what else are we going to find?
Out of here. I don't want the trash in the cute box.
I know. We can do that after we get the squishies out, though. So there's 3 little spots in the back then where you peel and then reveal.
Reveal.
So, all right.
So it says open this one first and then this one.
Oh, you're doing them by number. That's nice.
We got a hot dog.
They're really
they're having a having a bonfire.
Like a camp out. Let me see
Yeah.
that. Is this like?
There's another one, Mom.
Okay, it's not. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, these are kind of like splat balls. They're not foam.
I'm
They're
opening
like,
the second one.
Okay,
The third one.
Huh, that's very interesting, but they're adorable. They could be accessories.
We got a squishy. We got a squishy.
Oh my gosh! Now is the squishy actually?
No, it's not actually a squishy. It's a splat ball.
Oh, it's a splat ball type squishy. Let me see. Okay, don't worry.
I'm
Is it a
not.
kitty?
It's a bear.
It's a bear.
Yeah,
Let
but
me
it looks
see.
really cute.
Oh my gosh, that is super cute. So we got a little bear.
Now it's
laying down.
open.
It's
Oh. Mama, I'm opening it. I'm opening the actual thing.
That is so cute. It could be like babies and accessories to the bigger squishies. Okay.
Oh my
so-
goodness, look how squish. Look how sticky it is.
Oh, that's sticky. Yeah. Going in the trash. Okay, so you pull that.
Here's our stickers.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
it's actually bonfire stickers. Looks like you can like have like a big like wall and you can like paint it and then you can have the bonfire.
Or maybe that's to decorate their little habitat. Let me see that. That is
Oh, you're right, because
Is
look on
it?
the back.
Is it? Oh, it tells you where. Okay, let's see.
It tells you where to
So
put
cute.
it.
Ooh, oh my gosh.
Oh, here's the bonfire. Mom. I'm going to tell you about their
It does tell you where to
bonfire.
put it. Okay, show me.
So, first of all, here's...
Oh.
No, I want to tell you what it is. So, like, it's a chair, and then we have a bench, and then we have a table.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And then you get to decorate it with stickers and make it like
Now,
a real
let's see
habitat.
what it says first.
Ooh, what does it say first?
Okay, peel it. Now we have our habitat.
Yeah. I think that's so
Oh,
awesome.
but it says different.
It has instructions though, right? Let's check it out and then
Wait, I
maybe
want
we
to do
can.
the instructions.
Yeah, maybe we can decorate the habitat and then come back and have them all like posed in their habitat. That would be super cute.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do it.
Okay, so now we have it all done, and I'm going to be showing you it.
Yay!
Okay.
So how do we do?
So first on this side, we have a shooting
Ooh, I like
star
that. That's
right
cute.
there. This fell down. Gotta put it
The
back.
little hot dog.
Okay, so now we're going to go over here, and we have the moon and the sky. Let's turn it here. And we have a
Ooh.
space.
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 And then more sky with stars and moon. And then
Now we're going to show in the inside. So you can
inside.
barely see this, but
Oh, the
There's
tent.
the tent.
Yes, and
and there's a telescope.
awesome.
Here he is. He's on this. There's the big cushion.
Yes, it's a cushion on there.
Ah, he's in the fire.
Look at the fire. The floor's lava.
I'm on it. All right, so now we have some hot dogs cooking
Ooh.
on this. And then we have some more hot
And there's
dogs.
a hot dog that's already cooked.
It looks like he's going to eat it
I
up.
think he's gonna eat it. And then we've got, I guess, a campfire right on the inside.
Yep.
Sure, why not? That's super cute. What do you think about it?
I love it.
I love it. I mean, I thought it was going to be regular squishies and not like
Yeah,
splat
me
ball type
too.
squishies, so that was kind of weird.
That was a little weird,
A
but
little weird.
at least we got some splat ball squishies because I love splat ball squishies.
Mhm.
Splat ball squishies.
That is kind of like a tongue twister.
Splat ball
isn't it?
squishies. Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the costume cuties. What do you think about that?
We got more.
I know, we're going to do those too, but let's go ahead and get those costume cuties open, okay?
Okay, that took longer than I thought.
I know. These are going to be fast. I think you just tear them open, right? No? We need scissors.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I know where they are.
Okay.
Alright, so I got it open. And then we'll have to do the other side. So, first of all, what we got the bunny outfit. It's like foam.
Mm-hmm. It's like kind of a hard foam, isn't it?
Yes.
It's super cute.
Next we have the little tiger, which
I think, yeah, you can pull him out of the top. There's just like a weird line in the middle of the package, yeah.
And here is my
So they stay on their own sides. Yes! Yes,
Let's
and
put 'em
these
in.
are really good squishies.
I'm gonna let it.
How do you get him in there? You just pop him in
Pop
through
in.
the... Okay, oh my.
Go in! This is harder than I thought.
Oh my goodness. To get it like totally situated. Yeah, because it's a squishy. Oh my gosh, how is that gonna work?
Oh my goodness.
He's getting in your dress. Oh my goodness. Wow.
You can't get the tiger's face.
Okay. You open the other one and hand that to me and I'll try, okay?
Got it.
Oh, you got it. Oh my gosh, you did it. Okay, let's check that out. Hand that to me.
Here is the tiger in
Oh
its
my
costume.
gosh. That is so cute. Get your head up in there, tiger.
Let's do that.
That's seriously adorable though. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love that. Oh wow. Yeah, so this is like, it is like a foam, like a hard foam. And then of course, squishy foam. That's adorable though. I love that. That's gonna look so cute, like just, you know, standing. Yay! Okay, are you getting that one? Oh my gosh, you're just cutting right down the middle, aren't you?
Yeah, because there's lines there.
I know, there's like a strip in the middle to keep them separated. So yeah, maybe you can just like rip them. Oh yeah, that works. That's so cute. So here's the raccoon costume. Purple. Okay. And then was that a bear?
This is a bunny.
A bunny.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. A purple bunny. That's adorable.
Purple bunny.
Okay. Get in your costume. Love it. I love it. They are like, it's really kind of like
Hard to
awkward.
do it.
Yeah, it's hard to do it. Like getting them in there. Like,
It looks like weird because they don't have their ears, or he doesn't have his stripes on his face.
Ah.
There we go.
Okay, let's see. That is still super cute though. Let me see. Oh my gosh. When you first get them in, they're like awkwardly peeking out like to the side. Get in there. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love that. That's
If I was
adorable.
wearing that, Mom, if I was wearing that, I would be constipated.
You would be constipated?
Whatever you call it.
Claustrophobic?
Claustrophobic. I get it mixed up. Constipated.
Well, you know that costume could have either effect. It could make you constipated or claustrophobic, just depending. I mean, oh my gosh. Let's get to the kitties. The kitties that we don't really know if they're kitties or not. You guys, hey, write down in the comment section.
If you think they're kitties, puppies, or kitties, puppies, or
hamsters. I don't even know.
just kitties or puppies.
Yeah.
Because I know what's a kitty.
I think they're kitties. I really do. But this one,
This is a kitty.
that's a kitty. You're right. That's actually a donut. But yeah, this
kitty.
one. Wait a minute.
What?
Look at those ears. This actually could be like a gerbil or a chinchilla or something. But we're gonna say kitty. We don't care.
We're gonna say kitty.
So yeah, get those out.
Look at that
Let's
mouth.
squish them.
We just all got it because of the mouth.
I know. Well, and it did. We didn't look super close. We were just grabbing because we're like, what? Kitties? What? And the ears kind of do look like kitty ears, like, you know, if you're not looking up really close. But first of all, let's just see how amazingly squishy these. You squished its face in. Look at that. That's hilarious.
This is just like salon.
But they're so great.
Like, this is just like putty.
All right, let me see that one while you open another one. That's so good. Let's see. That looks like a kitty. I don't know, with a fluffy kitty, like with fluffy ears, but the tail's really short, so I don't know. But these are really good. Really slow rising. Okay. Next, I'm gonna set that in front of you. We know this is a kitty. Oh my gosh, I love the paw print. And you know what? I love these colors together. Yes. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so there's the laying down for sure, kitty. This one is like, it almost looks like a husky to me now.
But
when
the
with
ears!
the ears, what the heck? And when we were in the store, like we just saw the ears on all of them. We're like,
I mean,
oh, kitty.
Wait, this might be a Christmas one. Like that's the icing coming down.
A Christmas kitty, yeah.
Like that's the icing.
Couldn't possibly be husky.
I'm serious.
Okay, get up
Could
there.
be an icing.
They're so cute though, you guys. But yeah, are they kitties or not? Just say yes.
You would hurt our heart if you said no.
Don't hurt our heart.
No.
All right, let's get to the other two peel to reveals.
All right, so let's do the back. But
Okay.
first we have to
You gotta get that plastic off, right?
Gotta get that plastic off. I was going too fast.
Sorry, that was my hand. I'm like, I'm not watching what I'm doing here. I'm trying to like watch where she's peeling to reveal. Let's see what it is.
We got a cake!
We got a cake?
Uh-huh.
Oh, sweet. Oh. Oh my gosh, don't rip it right off the bat. Seriously, let me show it first. It looks like
There's no bat on it.
give it to me. That looks like a strawberry cheesecake. Raspberry cheese? No, strawberry cheesecake. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. I want to be in this little playset with the cake.
Yes.
That's
Me
kind
too.
of, they're kind of sticky.
We got another cake.
What?
We got
wait
a pie.
What?
This is pie.
Let me see that. What is this? Some kind of crazy dessert playset? Whoa! It's
Could
a
be.
lemon meringue pie. Oh my gosh! How cute is that?
Here comes the person.
Okay.
We got a kitty. We got a kitty.
Yes. Yee! Okay. Yeah, that has to be a kitty, right?
Mom, how'd
What?
you know it was a dessert set?
Is it really?
Yes.
Okay, that has to be a kitty. Please tell me it's a kitty. All these ears that look like kitty ears. Oh my gosh, you're right. Whoa. Whoa. It's like a dessert parlor. Yes. You ready to get the stickers on that one?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, so now we have it done and it's all ready to go. So I'm gonna start showing you. So we have my little kitty here in the stool pattern, which is actually a chair, and then the pie with some whipped cream on it, and the pattern.
And there's the little plate with the little serving.
I'm just calling it pattern.
That's cute. The little serving knife
And
set.
fork.
And fork, yeah.
It's not a fork, it's special. Next we have our cake and our plate. Oh, the kitty jumped right off.
Oh my gosh. Jumping kitties. Watch it. Watch it. Ah! What in the world? He wants that pie. The kitty wants that pie.
Okay, I'm moving.
Okay, kitty. You're like, what in the world?
Wants the pie.
Oh my gosh. There we go. There's our second playset. So we'll put this over here.
Wait,
and then
they didn't
we
see
have,
this.
Yes, we're seeing it right now. And then we have one more
okay.
playset to go. So
Let's open
let's do
it.
it. Let's do it. I know, last one.
All right.
Okay.
This is so sad because I want more of these cuties.
they're really
So
cute.
far we haven't had a duplicate.
I know. I don't think we will because we picked like one of each color.
Maybe.
I know. I mean, I guess it's possible.
It's possibly. Maybe you don't get duplicates in this.
I don't know. Maybe, but I don't know how many there are to collect either.
There's 1, 2,
Does it say on there?
3, 4, 5.
Let me see.
6.
Does it actually say on there and I just haven't been paying attention? Here, let me see the box.
6. There's 6 to go left.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it looks like there's 10 different characters to collect. It just says collect them all, but it shows 10 different characters on the front. Anyway, open it up. Let's reveal the mystery. Wait, what?
I did it wrong.
Oh my gosh.
We need to do the back now.
Okay. I'm like, wait, where's the little tabs? Oh my
I did it
gosh.
so wrong.
That's
Come out.
alright. Okay, I'm gonna guess that it's
Hamburger. I'm guessing it's a hamburger.
I'm guessing French fries. Or popcorn. I don't even know. I don't
I
know.
got it right. It is a
No,
hamburger.
you didn't. Oh my god. How did you? How in the world? Oh, that's cool. Let me see.
I saw it.
You saw it? You saw it like from the other side or something?
No,
or how did you see it?
I poked it and I was like,
Oh,
that's a
okay.
hamburger.
Okay. Oh my, there's no
I won
cheese
that
on
round.
that burger though.
No.
Or ketchup, so I don't know.
Maybe that's what they eat.
Maybe, or maybe there's cheese in one of the things. Okay, so if there's a hamburger, then is there fries? Like, is that
Oh, maybe I'm gonna guess this one is.
a shake? A soda?
I'm gonna guessing it's a shake.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
We got. It feels. I think I got it right. I got it right.
Oh my gosh!
It's a shake.
It is. Whoa!
It's a
Burger
shake.
and shake. You got any shake with that burger? Oh, how cute! Oh, it's like it has a little. Is that a?
Wait,
it might
Mom.
be a sundae. It might be
Mom.
ice cream. Mm-hmm.
It said 3 inside, but there's only 1 person.
Yeah, there's just 3 things inside. I think this is like an ice cream sundae. I don't know. It's hard. It's hard to know for sure. But let's see who our character is. It's probably gonna be a puppy then. I don't know who would go with like a burger, sundae. I can't remember who all the characters were on the front. It's
Wait.
oh,
We got the bunny.
oh,
Because this
oh
is
my,
the kitty, and
oh
this
my
is the bunny.
goodness. Okay,
two
that's
different ones.
adorable.
We got the bunny.
Let me see that bunny, and then get those stickers out. That is adorable. Yes, the characters are so cute. So kawaii. Seriously, they're adorable. No, you want a burger and shake?
Oh my goodness, look at the background.
Oh, we've been doing it wrong all along. We're supposed to put a background in there. Gosh darn it. Okay, pause. We're going to have to figure
Fix
this.
So let's
I'm
show
so
you.
glad that we noticed that. Okay, so so now, look, they really do look like little play sets. Okay, so here's the little, it's like a little diner. And we've got the burger, we've got the bunny, we've got the ice cream sundae,
Yeah,
and like, oh my god.
we got.
And so then this is like the little,
Who made it?
I don't know, I guess it would be a
Mama!
bakery.
We forgot my kitty ears.
That's okay. Emmy usually tries to wear kitty ears for vids, but it's kind of late at night. We just got back from Walmart because we were gonna like go
Do a
toy
video.
hunting. Yeah.
Yeah, and do
And
a
so
video.
look at this with the camping, the little
You
camping
don't
insert.
look at these.
So of course we're gonna look at those, but yeah, these look so much better with their little inserts. How
I'm pulling
adorable is
him out.
that?
I'm pulling. You can't.
Don't
take
pull
them
him out.
You can't take them out.
No. All right, guys. So we hope you enjoyed this
Video.
soft and slow squishy haul.
Okay, video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Because Kitty told you
Hit
to.
the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next toy video or haul. And I'll see you. Bye.